All right, you guys, grab your towels. We got a towel workup. I'm gonna show you how to stretch and how to work those abs. All right, team, I hope you have your towel in hand. You want it to have a little bit of length. You don't need much, but the more immobile you are, like if you're not flexible, you're gonna want a long towel. Otherwise, any towel will do. All right, we're gonna start off with stretching with the towel. I'm gonna show you a few stretches. Really simple, really easy. We're going to start off with a reach. All you're gonna do is push the towel out. So push the towel out, pull on its ends, okay? If you have a long towel, all you do is walk your hands into it like that. Pull, and then now pull this way. Pull, and then now squeeze the back. You could even face your knuckles towards each other, squeeze this way, squeeze the back. So it's opening the back, scapulas fall apart, and then scapulas come together. Scapulas pull apart, scapulas come together. Really, really easy, but a really, really good stretch. And then this stretch leads into the next stretch that we're gonna do together with our towels. Whew, I like how that feels. All right, so our next move is going to be around the world. You're gonna take that towel again, hold that towel so that your arms are shoulder width apart, just like that, in front of my shoulders. We're gonna hold it right at chin level in front of your mouth, and you're gonna take it around the head and back to where it started, and then now go back and reverse it. You see how I'm moving my hips? I'm kind of opening up my belly, moving my hips, good. Now the more you do this with every single rep, you're gonna get a little more exaggerated with it. Really get those hips in there. So your feet should be a little bit more than shoulder width apart. That way you have a good base of support and you don't fall down. Knees are slightly bent. Good. Now you can even swoop it down, come around, big circle, swoop it down, come around, big circle. We gotta do two the other way to make it even. This is really good for spine health. Get that body awake. Whew. Help you loosen up real quick. All right, now we're going to do a shoulder mobility test. This one is my nemesis, you guys. So hard for me, but I'm gonna do it. You're gonna take that towel in one hand, right? You're gonna drop it down your back. And then you wanna take that opposite hand, palm out, and reach up that towel till you can touch your other hand. Oh, I can touch my fingers. Till you can touch your other hand, okay? Now, if you test yourself every day on this and see how far you can get, it's gonna help with your shoulder mobility, okay? Now that you're there, open up the shoulders, hold it here, right? Hold it, hold it. I like to do just a few chest openers here while I'm here, just get the shoulders open. So all I'm doing is getting my elbows out, letting them fall, elbows out, letting them fall. Good, relax. Now you put the towel in the other hand, take the towel behind you, let it drop, right? Take that opposite hand, palm out, grab your towel, reach up and inch up. So you're gonna kind of pull that. This one is the one I can't do. I can't touch this one, you guys. So I'm gonna have to go home and practice this. I don't think I'm even close. Just like that. Now, hold it here. Now this one, you might be a little bit tighter. Just hold it so you have inched your hands as close as they can get to each other. You should feel uncomfortable. I am crying right now, you just can't see it on camera. Now, open up the elbows and then let them relax. Open up the elbows and let them relax. I can do this. Open up the elbows, hold, 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 and relax. This actually feels good on my mousing shoulder. I've recently been mousing on the mouse, clicking away on my computer a lot, and that actually helped my shoulder a lot. So do them often. All right, now from there, we're going to transition to the floor and get in some leg stretches. This is gonna be a fun time here. Get your towel. Again, the more inflexible you are, the less flexible you are, the longer the towel you want. We're going to take that towel around the foot, right? And you're gonna just lay it back, kick that foot up and pull the towel in for a nice hamstring stretch. Yes. Good, good, good. Hold it here. We're gonna put the towel in both hands now. Keep holding. Now, as you continue to pull on that towel, let the leg drop, but don't stop pulling that foot towards your face with the towel. Don't stop pulling, let the leg drop. Try your best to keep both hips on the floor. Don't let that other hip fly off the floor. Good, good, good. Hold it, hold it. And then using your hand strength with the towel, you're gonna pull your leg in with your arm, right? Good. And all you're gonna do is transition to that other leg and stretch that other hamstring and groin. Take that towel. We're gonna put both hands on the towel, so same side hand as the leg. Release the other hand. As you continue to pull on the towel, you're going to let the leg drop. Nice and slow, but don't stop pulling that foot towards your face. And you're gonna feel this transfer into the inner thigh groin area. Good, good, good. This is a great leg stretch to do with the towel. You should do these often. Everyone has towels. You can even do it with a t-shirt if you wanted to. I've done it with a jacket before. I think I've used a belt. No one even wears belts anymore. You guys wear belts? Yeah, I've used a belt. All right, now we're gonna transition into our abs. Okay, roll yourself up. We're gonna take the towel, again, hold it with your arms shoulder width apart, just like that. And we're going to do a Russian twist, touching the floor. If you want to get more intense, take the legs off the floor. And then we're gonna scoop and scoop, just like you're in the boat. Row, row, row the boat gently. Oh, don't make me start. Good, 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 good. Keep it. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good job. Relax. Now in and out. Grab your towel, shoulder width apart. We're gonna take the legs in and over the towel, in and over the towel. These ones are challenging. Let me tell you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. All right. Whew. Now, lastly is the towel mountain climber, okay? You're gonna take your towel and you wanna make sure you're not on sticky floor. You wanna be on like on a hardwood floor, a hardwood surface like this. If you are on a carpet, you can use like a plastic plate. I use a picnic plate that I found that's plastic. It's really good. All right, so hands are on the floor. Make sure you're on a stable surface. You're gonna put your feet on the sticky part and just back and forth. Okay, so you might need a longer towel. If you only have one towel, just do one leg at a time. So you're holding here, and voila, you're actually cleaning your floor now. Good, hold those abs in nice and tight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good, and that was hard. Good job, so you got your stretching, you got your ab workouts, and you have a shoulder mobility test that you can work on. Do these every day. It's so much fun, and you will have a clean floor as well. I am Coach D. Thank you so much. I will see you later. If you've enjoyed this workout, I invite you to follow me on the SunnyFit app. There, you'll find more classes from me. I am on the cycle, I am on the rowers, and I also teach dumbbells. Plus, many more from all of our awesome Sunny trainers. If you haven't downloaded the SunnyFit app yet, click the link in the description below.